Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fiverr custom offers for faster client workflows. Beginner guide step. Start by logging into your Fiverr account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select the selling option from the drop-down menu. Click on gigs to view your active listings. Choose the gig for which you'd like to create a custom offer. Scroll down to the pricing section. Look for the button that says Create a Custom Offer. Click on that button to start setting up your offer. Fill in the required fields such as the description of the offer. Set a price that reflects the value you're providing. Specify the deadline for delivery to set client expectations. Add any relevant gig extras that enhance the offer. Consider including a detailed breakdown of what clients can expect. Finalize the offer by reviewing all the details you've entered. Once you're satisfied, click on Send Offer to deliver it to the client. Make sure to follow up with the client if they have any questions. Track your offers in the Orders section to manage your workflow efficiently. By creating custom offers, you can streamline your process and cater to client needs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.